Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb with Red Racing Industries. Today we're hitting episode 23 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. Now we're starting to get a little bit more content going as well, so I do appreciate all and any support. We've got a whopping 54 subscribers, at least last time I checked. But we're not going to stop. It's about continuing and growing, and I've been doing a lot of training on a few different tracks just to, gain experience in GT3 cars. Now, once we finish with the Civic Type R, and I'm going to start hopping in here, we're going to be heading over to some other cars, naturally. But let's go ahead, hop right in, and get today's episode all wrapped up. Now, as we get today's video going, we're going to hop right in here, get everything set up. Once again, we've done a good bit of training today, but we're going to hop in, get ourselves some additional seat time, check time. But if you haven't already, check out, I'm going over to Trial Mile Circuit. I'm going to do quick race and full course in reverse. We'll go with, let's do Dawn. Let's see how Dawn is. But if you haven't already, go check out the other videos that I have that I've been posting. I have raced 5 races at Music City Kartplex in Shelbyville, Tennessee. Absolutely a lot of fun. It's just completely different than K1 Speed. If that tells you anything, I've been to K1 Speed once. Oh, good Lord. And I've raced 2 races there. I've been to Shelbyville twice, and they just had their 1-year anniversary. And it's getting me a different feel of racing versus being in the simulator. Trying to bridge that gap from a simulator to real life. And karting is a more, it's the cheapest way, but also the most affordable. Let alone the Civic Type R I have. And if you haven't already seen the video of my 1985 and a half Porsche 944, I'm just started introducing it to the channel. We've had this channel up for about almost 2 months. So everyone that has subscribed so far, I do appreciate it. And always like, always comment. I do appreciate it as well. It means a lot. But we're going to continue to race, getting better. And that's why we're doing this. Getting a feel for every track and getting a baseline with a car that we can drive in real life. Now, I took some photos and I'm posting those to Instagram and everything. Oh, good Lord. Oh. I took that way too fast. I was on the brakes. Anyway. Okay, get around that corner. I done lost my train of thought. Oh well. Anyway, with the Porsche 944, and of course we got the Civic Type R, we're going to continue to bring this to this channel. And I've got my other channel, Caleb Red Official, so you can always check that out as well. That one's been a lot long established. A lot better than this one. But this is all racing content, all car related, everything related in that manner. And our entire journey going through racing. I really do enjoy driving at night. It is 12 times more fun than day driving. It's prettier, it looks cooler. It's a different experience. Okay. I could have taken that a bit wider. Dive deeper into that corner. We got a 5-second pace for lead. But if you're just starting to join my channel and this is one of the first episodes you're seeing, I do want to let you know that the Civic Type R in here is very realistic. except I'm not on the right side. I'm on the left. I have a left-hand drive instead of right-hand drive. But from the red line beep right there to the design of the tachometer and the whole gauge cluster, everything is, pinpoint accuracy to what it's like in real life. Now I don't get to feel that tight suspension that I have, but it's still amazing. I mean, from the exterior, the way it looks is identical too. Now my Type R, if you notice right here on the back, you'll see it says Civic and it says Type R. With the, oh, I wasn't paying attention again. With the nameplate, with the badging, mine does not have Civic on it. Whoever had it first took it off, and I said, okay, I like it. Literally the only place that it says Civic on my car, except for the name plaque, is the floor mats. I don't have it on the exterior anywhere, and I find it nice, actually. I mean, it's a Type R. It's not just a Civic. However, I do just kind of downplay it when I talk to people. Yeah, I just drive a Civic. Nothing crazy. Ooh. With my 944, I'll just say I drive an old German car. Don't worry about it. I mean, Porsche 944 is one of the cheaper. But anyway, it starts in this episode here. And feeling every track, everything's just a little bit different. But from the training I'm doing, as long as I'm focusing, that's my problem. I can race it just fine. I just didn't focus because I'm, chitter-chatting. Anyway, I do want to say thank you all again for watching. I do appreciate it. Any support is appreciated as well. And let me know what sponsors I should reach out to. I am working on reaching out to those, getting some responses, going that way. So we're going all into this. So you're gonna see as we go through. Now I'm not really going into exactly just yet what it's taken to reach out to sponsors and things like that. But as I get better at it and actually make some progress, I will update y'all on that. But to start, we're getting some exposure, making a video every single day, guaranteed. I am pushing hard to make sure you get a video every single day because this is our journey to racing and taking it from the simulator and putting it into real life. We've got a lot of things in the works, so we'll see how it pans out. Other than that, I do want to say thank y'all again for watching and keep racing.